present one that they are deploying to 6,500 Lotto agents. So procure more, especially it to be given to the
2,000.
terminated to the
Yun nga
2,000.
po sinasabi ni Attorney Pagano na it might take 6 to 8 months, right?
Okay. Now,
Okay sa inyo yun, 6 to 8 months. Basta may guarantee, Attorney Pagano, may guarantee na in 6 to 8 months, yung, may bibigay yan doon sa mga 2,000 na nawalan. Attorney Pagano. Sorry, 8 to 10 months. Okay sa inyo
Yeah,
yan?
Mr. Chair, we understand the legal procedures and requirements for the procurement. And as Ms. Imperial mentioned, 8 to 10 months, we are dead by that time. So the second suggestion that I make for the medium term is to use the machines of PGMC, which was the legacy, which was used here in Luzon. And to my understanding, it is still usable. So as our stopgap measure, maybe we can use that. And we are made to understand that there was a study made by the game sector that it's not anymore usable or it's not compatible. But I'm sorry to say this, but that is a self-serving statement. Let an independent entity check whether it can still be used, because we are willing. Now, of course, there will be problems because it's an old machine, but that is better than none. Okay? So
Okay,
I would suggest
okay,
that
may suggestion po ako ganito. Habang iniintay po yung 8 to 10 months na FLX machines, bakit hindi po muna natin paggamitin sila nitong legacy fixed terminal?
Earlier, that is
Na
not
para,
ours.
kasi naintindihan ko po siya sabi ni Miss Imperial, 10,000 ang renta bawat buwan. Kung nakatenga lang sila at wala silang kinikita, 10,000 times 8, that's 80,000.
That is not ours, Mr. Chair, and that was under a lease agreement, di ba? Yung lease agreement which has already expired. Mr. Chair.
Yung itong legacy.
Yes po. Those terminals are not ours. The lease agreement over those terminals has already expired last year, Mr. Chair.
So wala nang gumagamit nito.
Wala na po. And it's owned by PGMC. I have not even talked to PGMC if they still have those terminals.
Okay, Mr. Bana?
Yeah, it was mentioned in the previous hearing that our President, Ms. Javier, has approached the office of the OGCC. And the OGCC is willing to extend the ELA, the Equipment Lease Agreement, in
Oh,
order
yun naman
for
pala.
those machines.
So, willing.
It's just waiting for the request from PCSO so that OGCC can give its opinion.
Nandito ba yung OGCC? Very good. Attorney Katrina Reyes, ma'am. Totoo ba?
Your Honor, I was not privy to that meeting, so
But can
I
you
will
check?
have to check, yes.
Can you make a phone call now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon na?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, kung merong ganon na, ano sabi niyo ulit? Instructions from OGCC na extend yung lease para ma-accommodate po yung sitwasyon ninyo?
Ma'am Evelyn can...
No, gusto ko lang. Ganon?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, kung merong ganong
They're willing to extend sana until January, until such time na maka-order sila ng bagong machine. But the
January
thing
this
is-
year?
Oh, yeah.
pero nag-lapse na.
Nag-lapse na po. Pero hindi po sila kasi nag-apela eh. They were only asking kung pwede sila mag-appeal. I mean, from the general manager to appeal. I mean, Sir Arnel Casas, the AGM
Okay,
Casas knows
tapos na
that.
po yun eh. Okay. Water under the bridge. Pag-usapan po natin ngayon.
Yeah.
So, pwede ba ulit mag-issue ang OGCC? Hindi na pwede, too late na.
Well, if
ng
PCSO
extension
would
of lease.
ask, siguro po. If
PCSO?
PCSO would appeal and would
Just
ask.
to accommodate the
Mr.
2,000
Chair, I will just have to answer
outlet
this
agents.
regarding legal requirements. An expired contract can no longer be extended. As I mentioned, that is an expired contract. And I don't think OGCC will have jurisdiction or authority to order PCSO to extend a contract that has already expired. Perhaps Judge Cat can confirm.
Well, anyway, sabi lang po nila yon. Kaya nga, sabi ni Attorney Reyes, she's not aware of it. That's why I said make a phone call. But anyway, January pa pala, nag-expire na. Ganito na lang po, kasi marami pa akong tatakel. Meron pa tayong PAGCOR, mahaba-haba rin po. Kasi Sige po, para hindi yes,
Yeah,
Attorney
one
Jose.
last thing, Mr. Chair. As an immediate assistant to the Lotto agents, may we request that STL Games, kinuha na yung Lotto sa iLotto, kinuha na po yung 3D sa STL Games. We request that STL Games can be played inside Lotto outlets, and that will make us survive until such time that the FLH machine will come in.
Pero yung STL, may mga operators yun.
Opo, in other words, the AEC, the Authorized Agent Corporations, will be allowed to tap the Lotto outlets to play STL inside Lotto games. Then we will survive.
Okay, social media ng Pulay.
Mr. Chair, yung request po namin na yung STL, sana sa amin na lang, kasi may mga pwesto po kami. Actually po, nagka-STL po ako dati sa loob ng loto ko. Kasi may tumabing STL sa loto ko. Sabi ko, ipasok nyo sa akin. Ang problema sa STL kasi, minsan illegal, minsan legal. Hindi namin alam kung alin ang
Oh yeah,
legal.
kasi karamihan sa mga STL, mayari, mga gambling lord din eh.
O kaya po, ang pakiusap lang po namin, yung immediate na makakatulong po sa aming mga lotto agents is yung STL, ipasok na lang po sa loob
I don't know
ng
the legal
lotto.
technicality
Yun
about that.
lang po
Kasi yung
ang-
STL, may mga kontrata na yan. At Attorney Pagano, possible ba yung request nila na pwedeng magtaya ang STL doon sa mga machines nila?
Legal nga po yun eh. Actually, Mr. Chair, the STL has a separate IRR which has already been in place since the time it started in 2017. Iba rin po ang draw court ng STL, kaya I'm not really familiar with the procedure that they are proposing because STL has its own draw court. And it is required that they are 200 meters away from the Lotto outlet. So yung pag nagpapataya ho sila ng STL doon, illegal nga ho yun eh. Bawal ho yun.
Ganito lang po, sorry kasi meron pa po tayong pagkor. Okay. I need to tap Chairman Juni Kua na dito po sa mga hinaing nila na hindi pa natatapos ngayon. Continuous investigation gagawin natin with your help na kayo po magtutulay sa PCSO, sa GM's office at kung ano pang departamento sa PCSO to help them out, Chairman Kua, because I believe in your credibility. I really do.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. If tasked by Your Honor, I certainly will be more than willing to try to find solutions to this problem.
Kasi nandiyan ka na, insider ka na eh. Dahil ang nangyari, pag sila daw ay nakikipag-communicate sa PCSO, pinaikot-ikot sila at umabot ng napakatagal na panahon bago sila sinasagot. Whereas kung kayo po maging tulay, alam ko mabilis kayo umaksyon, agad-agad may parating nyo sa kanila yung problema ng grupo.
Yeah. Okay lang sa akin, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Sorry po talaga kasi kung lahat po kayo abutin tayo another 5 hours dito kasi 1 hour, ubos tayo. Sorry we really need to wrap this up kasi meron pa akong dalawang issue sa inyo and then meron pa tayong pagkor. Ayaw ko naman abutin tayo hanggang gabi sa issue lang natin dito. So, sige, 2 more. Go ahead po.
Mr. Chair, last year po nag-approach na po kami kay Chairman Kua regarding po dun sa ginagamit ng STL yung result namin. Tapos nagulat kami, in-approve ng PCSO na gamitin yung result ng 3D.
I'm sorry. Lumapit kay Chairman Kua.
Opo, nagreklamo ho yung mga lotto agents na ginagamit ng STL yung result ng 3D, especially sa Visayas Mindanao and 2D sa Luzon.
So walang nagawa si Chairman?
Hindi ko po alam.
Chairman?
Sorry, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Kua.
I recall that this problem was relayed and brought to my attention. But of course, this matter are decisions to be made by the board. And I recall that when this matter was brought to the board, I expressed a different opinion.
Okay. So you expressed a different opinion, but was that communicated to them para malaman nila na gusto mong mangyari yung request nila, kaya lang na-outvoted ka because you're only one. You're a member of the board also, right?
Yes, yes. I'm the chairman. I also vote.
Kaya nga, isang
But,
boto. Pero dapat na-communicate yun po sa kanila.
That was already, when the board decided, it was of course executed by the management and it was relayed to them.
Kasi po isang boto lang po siya eh. So, it doesn't mean na lumapit kayo sa kanya, wala siyang ginawa, meron siyang ginawa, kaya lang.
Actually, sabi po ni Chairman, kampi naman ho siya sa amin regarding, ayaw niya hong ginagamit ng STL yung result ng 3D.
Kaya ito lang po, Mr. Chairman, pag meron po sila mga hinaing and then pumunta sila sa iyo, and then kung sa tingin niyo po, pinaikot-ikot kayo, pwede ba kayo pumunta sa amin, ihiring natin para ma-expose in the name of transparency, malaman natin
Pwede.
kung umaksyon ba o hindi ang PCSO.
Pwede po.
Okay,
Pwede
gano'n
po.
na naman po.
If that
At
is
least meron
the-
na kayong tulay si Chairman. And I
If
really trust his credibility. I know Chairman Kua. This gentleman has been a public servant for so many years and impeccable po ang kanyang credibility. So, nakita niyo naman po yung hindi niya natugunan yung sumbong dahil isa lang siya sa board. Pinagbubutuhan po yan. Okay?
Thank you po. Thank you, Mr.
Sige
Chair.
po.
Thank you, Chairman Tua.
Sunod po
Thank you.
na ating... Ma'am, meron pa ulit? Thank you. Sunod po natin ngayon ay, nandito ba yung DILG? DILG? Did we invite DILG? Isapina nga natin yung DILG. We have to issue a subpoena sa DILG. Itong mga taga-DILG, anong nangyari? Sabi, on the way? Walang DILG? Tawagan niyo sa secretary ng DILG. Meron ba tayong cellphone? Can you call him? Grabe naman itong mga taga-DILG na to. The reason why we need to talk to the DILG, dun sa sumbong pa ng mga members ng Pulay, na pinagbabayad ng business permit ang mga outlets. Samantala meron desisyon ang Supreme Court na hindi na dapat. Diba? So, bakit itong mga taga-LGU, dapat to the DILG, ayaw sumunod? Meron ba taga Batangas dito, LGU? Kayo po, City Legal, Batangas City. Attorney Sani Jose Rica Blanca.
Good
Magandang
morning,
hapon
Your
sa inyo.
Honors.
Okay. Attorney Rica Blanca, hindi niyo po nirespeto itong desisyon ng Supreme Court?
Your Honor, good morning. First, we would like to clarify, Your Honor, that we are only imposing a mayor's permit fee at a fixed rate of 5,000 pesos. We are not imposing a business fee based on the commissions earned of the lotto agents, Your Honor. And we have reviewed all the jurisprudence that have been cited by the PCSO and the letter sent to us by the PCO's Vice Chairman year 2022. And we believe, Your Honor, that these cases are not applicable to the issue at hand.
Dito po sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema, kailangan po nila kumuha ng mayor's permit, pero hindi nila kailangan magbayad ng mayor's fee. Yan po yung nakalagay dito eh. Yung iba po nagko-comply na, so kayo na lang po dyan sa Batangas, ayaw pa mag-comply. Ayan po yan, no, may kopya ko kayo nito. In fact, I understand, napadalhan na rin po kayo ng letter ng DILG, o yung DILG nagpalabas na ng kanilang opinion. Kaya nga gusto ko nandito yung DILG para yung DILG mismo magsasalita at magsasabi. Kaso itong DILG, hindi sumipot. So, ito po, wala ba kayong kopya nito?
Your Honors, meron po, nakatanggap po kami.
Okay.
And we have already submitted our position paper yesterday, Your Honor,
Okay.
answering those
Position paper
jurisprudence, Your Honor.
na hindi nyo susundin itong Supreme Court decision na sinasabi, okay lang magbayad sila, mag-apply sila ng mayor's permit. Okay lang yon. Pero hindi na dapat sila kailangan pa magbayad ng mayor's fee. Ito yan eh. Kasi maliit na nga lang kita nila, sir. Eh. Kita mo, hindi ka ba naawa? Kanina pinag-usapan natin na kinakawawa sila. Diyan pa yung STL na papatay na yung kanilang kita, na yung 3-digit, etc., etc. Tapos sisingilin pa sila ng 5,000. Wag naman. Okay lang yun, sisingilin sila po yung sa environmental, sa garbage, o yung fire inspection. Ako ano naman tawag doon?
Regulatory fees po.
regulatory fees, okay lang yon, okay sa inyo, di ba? Yung sa mayor's fee, ang malaki, 5,000, dapat tablado na yon kasi yun ang sinasabi rito. Supreme Court decision. Sumunod po kayo kasi kung hindi, makukontem kayo. 5,000 lang, marami pa naman dyan mga negosyo sa Batangas na pwede niyo po sigurong, di ba, patawan ng mayor's permit fee.
We will look into it, Your Honor. I will
Thank you.
submit, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Attorney Sani Jose Rica Blanca, at thank you in advance dun sa iyong mayor. What's the name of your mayor, sir?
Beverly Rose Di Macuja, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you in advance kay Baby Mayor Rose. Thank you. Okay, isa na lamang. Parang ayaw ko nang banggitin to, pero since nasa agenda, itong mga kabo ng STL na napag-usapan no last time. Itong STL, galit sila sa STL eh. But anyway, trabahador din to, yung mga kabo na walang SSS, Pilat Pag-ibig. Di ba nung nag-hearing tayo nito many times, many months ago, sabi niyo magkakaroon na po, sinulatan niyo ako ng pag-PCSO, magkakaroon na po ng benefits yung itong mga kabo kasi ito naman talaga ang kumukolekta ng taya, kubrador, umulan man, uminit, pag nagkasakit, wala silang pambayad sa hospitalization, magmamakaawa pa sila sa mga STL operators, kuminsan nakakatikim pa sila masakit na salita. So, ano pong status itong mga kabo? Meron na ba sila mga benefits?
Actually, Mr. Chair, for an STL to be able to operate, they have to submit SSS and PhilHealth coverage of their employees. However, for the AACs, the cabos and cobradores are actually not regular employees. They come and go, Mr. Chair. Meron yung housewife, papasok siya ngayon, mangongolekta siya, tomorrow wala na po siya. So, to be honest, Mr. Chair, it really depends on the legislative bodies to pass the requisite law regarding this because this involves SSS and PhilHealth. There are provisions of the SSS law. In fact, if you don't cover your employees, that's a criminal case, as well as the PhilHealth law. So, unfortunately, project or mga
Attorney
intermittent
Pagano,
employees
ma'am.
are not covered.
Ma'am, for the second time,
Yes,
please
sir.
don't make me stupid here.
No, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
ma'am, yung sinasabi mo, totoo yun. May mga housewife, come and go. Pero that's only 1%. Yung 99%, they stick. Sila pa rin po yung nangongolekta. Kaya nga po, kumikita po ng bilyones, ito po mga STL operators. Kasi kung sila come and go yung kanilang mga kolektor, hindi sana kikita silang ganong kalaki. Kaya sila kumikita ng ganong kalaki dahil may mga suki-suki na yan. Yung mga kobrador kabo, may mga suki na yan. Yung pagtataya nila, regular na. So, ma'am, kailangan po talaga magkaroon ng benefits to mga kabo. Kailangan po. Siguro pwede niyo po ilagay doon sa kondisyon sa pagbibigay ng prangkisa sa mga STL operators na dapat merong SSS Pilat Pag-ibig ang inyong mga kabo kobradores. Pag hindi, kakansilin ng inyong pong prangkisa. Ganun lang po yun. Kung gugustuhin, maraming paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Di po ba, Madam Attorney? You're a lawyer. Okay, ma'am? So, gusto ko po sa susunod na hearing, meron po tayo makikitang concrete document na decision na talaga magkakaroon na po ng benefits ng mga kabo. Kasi itong mga STL operators, and you will agree with me, some of them are gambling lords. Really. Some of them. Bong Pineda, ang daming STL. Kilalang gambling lord yan. Di ba?
One more
Magsasalita ka
thing,
on behalf of the
Mr.
on
Chair.
behalf of the Cabos?
Yung pong cancellation po, ang problema ho namin up to now. Kasi po talagang malaki hong problema ho lahat ng mga lotto agents, lotto tellers yan eh. Kung
Ano po, cancellation?
yung cancellation po, ng ticket cancellation,
Okay.
yan po yung pinakamabigat na
Okay, isa pa. Thank you. Hindi na lista ng staff ko dito. Ticket cancellation. Attorney Pagano, nangyari, nag-aabono yung mga teller. Nagbigay ng example, hindi naman kagustuhan nila na ikakansilin yun kasi yung mananaya, sabi, ayoko yung ticket niya, mali yan, hindi yan ang tinayaan ko. Sila nagbabayad. So anong
Actually,
Decision
Mr.
natin
Chair,
dyan.
as mentioned to you by GM Robles last time, the reason cancellation was stopped is because PCSO was losing 500,000 per day. I think if you remember, Mr. Chair, I was here also during
Okay.
that hearing. 500,000 pesos per day. PCSO was losing that kind of money. It was there was a time that it amounted to 17 million pesos for a month. Now, I understand the plight of the tellers, especially the tellers, not the agents, Mr. Chair. But what we are looking into now is that we will allow cancellations under very stringent requirements. That it
Okay.
is not as simple they deduct the cancellations from their sales. There is a process, Mr. Chair. The Commission on Audit, we've already consulted the Commission on Audit. This is similar to a money claim against government because a cancellation is deducted from the sales, Mr. Chair. Like mentioned by GM Robles last time, mas marami pa ho ang cancellations kesa sa sales nung isang lotto agent na to. I hope they will let me finish my statement, Mr. Chair. Regarding cancellations, we are looking into already the return of the option to cancel, but under very stringent requirements. It will be on a basis of reimbursement. It will have to be looked at, validated by our branch manager or our personnel, and then it...
Ma'am, napakahabang proseso yan.
Yes po.
Ang sinasabi nila last time, kung maalala ko, bigyan sila ng window na they're able to cancel that mismong taya.
That's what we did last time, Mr. Chair. That was what the teller used to do a lot of cancellations. They were given a window of 5 minutes, Mr. Chair, from the cancellation. Now,
Wala.
my question is, this actually is disadvantageous to the government. We were losing 500,000
Okay,
pesos
I
a
know
day.
you were losing 500,000.
Yeah, 500.
How about the small tellers that are losing a lifetime savings or the whole month salary because of
That's-
this kapalpakan ng computer system?
No, that's no, Mr.
Hindi kasi,
Chair.
Attorney Pagano, nandito
Yes,
ka naman,
sir.
di ba? Yung sinasabi nila, yung mga numero na nailagay doon sa ticket na hindi naman dapat, na nagkamali po yung system error po. Inadmit ni GM to, nangyari to. And yet, sa kanila,
Well,
Dinideduct.
that is a general statement, Mr. Chair. There are
kaya
several
paano yun?
reasons for
Paano yun?
cancellation.
Paano yun? Inadmit
Kaya
nyo
nga
naman
po.
na nangyari yun,
Kaya
na
nga
nagkakamali, kasama, naalala ko yan, thermal paper, hindi maganda.
Opo.
Okay, mali yung pagka-print.
Yes.
Okay, hindi nababasa or
Yes.
mali yung
Madumi yung
printer,
banner.
tapos meron pa yung system, imbis na
Opo.
tinataya niya system 3, lumabas
Opo.
system 8,
Opo.
wala siya pambayad. So
Opo.
that needs to be canceled.
Yes po.
Ngayon, aalis yung mananayo, wala siyang pera eh.
Yes.
Ayoko yan ang laki-laki yan, 6,000, ang pera ko lang dito, kunyari 3,000. Silang mag-absorb ng 6,000.
Yun nga
So
po.
paano yun?
Yun nga
Anong
po.
solusyon po nakikita niyo doon?
Okay. That's why we need to classify the reason for the cancellation. If the cancellation is caused by the paper, that's why may validation po yan, Mr. Chair. Hindi pwedeng teller lang magsabi, ay, cancel to, deduct ko sa
So what
sales ko."
you're saying is
Bubulsan niya
merong
yung-
validation process.
Yes.
So, pupunta sa PCSO, ang mga teller ipapakita yung ticket, ito-validate ng
Dati
PCSO.
naman po talaga
At
yun.
i-reimburse.
Yes po.
Is that fair enough, Chairman? Kuha?
Well, if the damage is a result not coming from the teller, then I think the
Okay yung reimbursement process.
sa tingin ko pwede.
Okay. So what they're saying, ma'am, okay si Chairman doon, na i-reimburse na lang. Meron kasi validation process, pupunta sa PCSO, ipapakita, ipunin yung mga ticket na dapat na-cancel, and then reimburse nila. Tama?
They were required to keep the tickets. Kasi, Mr. Chair, kung may problema yung papel, then sisingilin namin yung supplier. Kung may problema yung equipment, sisingilin
Pwede bang
namin.
mapakita kayo ng record para malaman nila na nagsasabi kayo ng totoo na the government were losing half a
Yes.
million a month?
Yes, we have
you said?
that. We have that. We will submit
Sa
to
mga
the
cancellation
committee.
na yan?
Yes, Mr. Chair. From,
Okay.
if you want from January 2023 up to September under the old system.
Magkano
500
pong na ano?
500 average, okay.
500,000?
I have it. Yeah, for January to September up to 2023, under the legacy system, we were losing 541, 498, etc. Average of 503,478 pesos 39 centavos. For the month of October and November, for October we lost 548,000.
Okay, so very clear to us. Basta pakita niyo yung record sa amin
Yes.
na talagang nawawalan kayo
The list
ng pera
as
because of
well.
this cancellation.
The list as well of the lotto agents,
Now,
Mr. Chair.
meron na kayong patakaran in place yung bang validation, they have to go through validation process at sila ma-reimburse.
That's what we are crafting now, Mr. Chair, because
Okay.
we practically should be given time instead of having to answer their crying
Okay, so
stories.
what's wrong with that na kailan may validation process dahil magpapakita silang records dito na talagang nalulugit
Mr. Chair.
by the hundreds of thousands.
Mr. Chair,
a month.
hindi naman po lahat ng lotto outlets nagkakaroon ng cancellation. So,
Sir, ang tanong ko lang, ano pong problema nyo doon? Ma'am, isa-isa lang. Ano
Yes,
po?
sir.
Ano problema nyo po doon na i-refund naman daw, i-reimburse as long as meron
Actually,
dadaan sa isang
Mr.
validation
Chair,
process?
cancel na po yun eh. Cancel na po yun, hindi na po kasama sa sales yun. Kung kinancel. Ngayon, kung wrong basa po ng reader, usually naabot minsan 5,000, 6,000, wala naman nung iaabono. Kailan pa? Kung everyday ho may error yung machine, lalaki ho yan. Paano po yun? Kasi minsan ho darating yung technician, tatawagin yung technician, bumabasa ng mali yung machine. So, lilinisin, maayos na. So, ilang basa na po yung nagkamali. Example, 320. Sa pagitan ng 20, may 520. Yun yung ba nagiging problema ng bagong machine? Masyado pong sensitive, lalo po ngayon. Kaya po nagmamadali kami na kailangan magkaroon na po ng cancellation. Kasi everyday po may nag-aabono.
Ma'am, okay, kung by the thousands pala ang cancellation, wala naman pang abono to sila. Kung 5,000, 6,000, magkano ang sweldo ng teller? Minimum. Kung nakatatlong cancellation worth 15,000, ubos yung sweldo na yung sinasabi ko. So, and I do acknowledge na naluluging PCSO ng 500,000. Kung nag-augment nga kayo by the hundreds of millions, 500 million, yung 500,000.
Mr. Chair.
Sir, please. Please, sorry po Kung nag-augment kayo ng 500,000 para may manalo lang ng isa, ano yung 500,000 na malulugi kayo? Although, dapat hindi naluluging PCSO. Gawan nyo ng paraan na hindi naman madedehado itong, ma'am, sandali lang. Kasi salita ako, taasan kayo ng kamay. Nalilito po ako, please. Okay? Paano naman? Diba sila? Paano kung yung wala silang pang-reimburse? Dapat pag mag-usap kayo, you have to come up with a system.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Maybe we will have a cap. Like, for example, you're allowed 5 cancellations, something to that effect, Mr. Chair. And then, more than that threshold, they really have to report that to the hotline. Ang nakakapagtaka kasi, Mr. Chair, based on our, ang lagi na lang nakakancel, 2D, 4D. We have the
2D,
data.
4D.
Yes po. 2D, 3D, 4D. Yan po
Bakit?
lagi.
Bakit 2D, 3D, 4D?
Without having to say who did what. Ang gagawin nila, kunwari, na-cancel yon. Kasi if hindi naman yon ma-claim, kung hindi winning ticket yon, ano na yon, good as canceled na yon, kanila na yung taya na yon. Ngayon, pag nanalo yon, kaya na rin nilang anuhin yon, bayaran yung 4-5 na price nito.
So, ibig sabihin, nilalabanan.
Nilalabanan po eh.
And you have those records to show na puro 4D, 3D.
2D, 3D, 4D po.
Pero yung
Yeah.
pumunta dito nung last time, hindi. Yung talagang regular lotto game. Yung 645.
I did not see the proof that they presented. I did not see those documents.
Kaya nga po,
Mr.
lalabas
Chair.
po kayo ng polisiya na maging stick kayo dun sa mga 4D, 3D, whatever, 5D. Pero doon po sa mga big lotto games, dapat agad-agad, pag na-cancel, hindi naman pwedeng dayain yun, hindi naman pwedeng labanan yun, makancel para hindi na mag-abono yung mga teller. Is that okay?
Mr.
Doon
Chair.
sa mga 4D, 3D,
We will classify again, like
so
I
magkaroon ng
said.
classification.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Mr. Chair, I just simply don't understand as to why they're saying they're losing money. They're not naman even paying the cancellations. I mean, we suffer paying because we needed to, wala na pong cancellation, di ba? So, kung during the cancellation, they're losing, why are they going to lose with the cancellation? Canceled na nga po yun, hindi na papasok sa sales yun. So, it's just, I mean, where's the logic there that, they're saying that they're losing $500,000?
Attorney Pagano, she's making sense here.
She's
Oo nga
not a
naman.
lotto agent
Oo
kasi
nga
that's why
naman.
she doesn't
Cancelled
understand.
na yun. Bakit pa nga pala malulugi ang PCSO
Yeah.
sa mga tickets na cancelled? Hindi na nga pumasok pala yon sa kaban ng PCSO.
Yun nga, sir. They make it appear that it was canceled and they deduct that, okay, you have sales, example. Example, sir. Magbigay ako ng example. Wait. Ito. Oh, let's say, para hindi masyadong malaki, 4D, ang sales niya, 6,160 pesos.
Okay,
Na may
6,000,
cancel siya, may cancel, Mr. Chair, 5,760 pesos.
Okay,
So,
tama na. Lalabas sa records nila, papasok doon sa PCSO, halimbawa sa 4D.
Cancelled na po.
Oh, cancelled how much?
Ah,
6,000.
Hindi, ang sales po niya 6,150.
Okay.
Okay. Ang cancel niya 5,760.
Okay.
Ang net sales niya 390.
Okay,
Yun
so
na lang po natira.
okay. So ibig sabihin ibinawas yung canceled doon sa sales na pumasok doon sa PCSO.
Opo.
Okay.
We
So-
have naman, Mr. Chair, we have the documents. We're not making this up. It's not as if we can make up all this data.
Okay. Siguro po, kailangan din natin ng third-party auditor na titingin dyan para tingnan yung records ninyo, babanggain doon sa records nila. Okay?
We will welcome that, Mr. Chair, para matapos na once and for all yung issue nila about cancer.
And
We
then
will welcome
siguro
that.
bigyan nyo kami ng record para ipasa namin sa kanila yung
Yes.
mga sinasabi nyong lugi na 500,000 by the hundreds of thousands.
Yes.
Bigyan natin sila ng
Yes.
kopya so they
We
can
will
study it.
welcome that, Mr. Chair.
And then pwede nilang kontahin, pwedeng hindi. Pag kinonta nila, pupunta sila kay Chairman Kua,
Yes, punta-
sasabihin nila,
opo.
and then mag-uusap-usap yung mga
Opo.
operators. Okay?
Opo.
All right. Okay. For matters not taking up due to lack of time, I request everybody to submit their position paper, both sides. Okay? Para ano na muna kami ng PAGCOR naman for the PCSO. Suspend muna kami. Suspend. Thank you po.